I also have my Smith & Wesson Model 19-2. I painted the rear side and the front sight because I didn't like just to plain black it out. You know, it's a pinned and recessed Model 2. These are aftermarket grips. I've got the original grips, but they didn't have cutouts for speed loaders, so I opted for these. I got off eBay. You can get just about anything off eBay, and it's awesome. Cleaned it up with some Blue Wonder gun cleaner. Cleaned up really nice. There's some wear, like on the muzzle, there's a little wear. But for what I paid for it, it's negligible. I don't mind a little wear because I'm going to carry the gun anyway. I'm carrying both of these guns. This is my Smith & Wesson Model 66 No Dash with the stainless steel sights, front and rear. It's also pinned and recessed. Pin barrel, recessed cylinder. I got a great deal on this because it was a little dinged up a little bit, but I broke out the mothers, polished it up, cleaned it up with some Blue Wonder gun cleaner, and it is, I'll have to go on eBay and find some vintage target grips for it, but that's not a problem. Probably some just like this. Can't remember the seller's name. I think it's Backwoods for Life on eBay. Great guy to deal with. Also got some Azula leather holsters for him. Leather holster for it. I'm using the same holster for both because it's basically the same gun, except for in stainless. This gun has the sweetest trigger of any gun that I've ever just bought. I mean, it is, of course they're unloaded, but it is just a breath. It is so smooth. Just absolutely smooth. And single action, it is just barely touch it. And the same goes for this one. They're both empty. You guys saw that they were empty. This one is a very smooth, maybe even smoother. I think they're both sitting on about between 8 and 9 pounds double action, and between 2 and 3 pounds single action. Just a wonderful gun. I actually have the original box. This was a 1963 model. I looked up the serial number. It's a 19-2. I don't have a box for this one, but I'm going to get one off of eBay. I also have the original Diamond Goncaco Alves. I think that's how you pronounce it. Diamond target grips, which are going for about $260 on eBay. So I kind of put those up because they didn't have the cutout for the speed loaders, and I'm carrying it concealed. I want to be able to reload if I have to. So this one's a great shooter. This one I'm going to go shoot today. I'll probably video that because I just got this one yesterday. I haven't had time. Going to Shooters of Mommy, great place, great people to deal with, and that's all I've got.